really. Years ago, scanning used to require a full team with heavy equipment to complete any scanning project. But today, BLK to go has changed the industry of scanning, where one person with handheld LiDAR scanner can do the same job that requires a whole team, but with fast, accurate, and efficient way. Hi everyone. This presentation is brought to you by Team 3, and that's me, Eunice, Nicholas, Mario, Thomas, and Estrella. Leica Geosystem Incorporate is a company with nearly 200 years of working in to finding solutions to measure the world. Our product and technology are trusted by professionals worldwide and help them to capture, analyze, and present spatial information. Leica Geosystem is part of Hexagonal, which is a global LiDAR or a leading company in sensors, software, and autonomous solutions. Our goals is to set industry standards, innovate, and be globalized. And from here, I send you to Mario, who will tell you more about our product.
Thank you, Eunice. The Black2Go is a LiDAR 3D mapping tool. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging, using light in the form of a pulsed laser to measure ranges of an environment. The Black2Go is the first wireless handheld imaging laser scanner in the market thus far, with the fact that it is fast, agile, and obtains seamless scans. This is possible due to the fact that it has the smallest dual-axis LiDAR scanning system available. This allows the integration of GrandSlam technology, which uses LiDAR and cameras to enable self-navigation and positioning while performing the scans to allow mobility. This laser scanner is capable of scanning 420,000 points per second with an accuracy of 6 to 15 millimeters on a range of 25 meters. The Black2Go is one of the best imaging laser scanners out there, with its capability of 45 minutes of continuous scanning on a single charge, its ability to be used with any smartphone, and its lightweight aluminum construction of 775 grams or 1.7 pounds. Now I'll hand it over to Nick to talk about the industry.
Hi, so the BLK2Go falls into the LiDAR scanning market, and this industry is projected to increase a lot by 2025. As of 2018, it was analyzed that the industry was worth $1 billion USD, and by 2025 is projected to be 10 billion USD dollars. Leica Geosystems ourselves are active in over 180 countries worldwide. 50% of our company exposure is from Europe, Middle East, and Africa. 33% of our business is done in the Americas, and 20% is in Asia. Here to talk more about our target market is Estrella.
Hello, everyone. So the intention of our company is going to be for the BLK2Go handheld scanner to find its own niche within numerous markets. Our product allows for the advanced LiDAR scanning, which has been mentioned earlier, for this technology to be more affordable as well as more accessible. And because of this, it could potentially be established in markets ranging from entertainment and filmmaking to healthcare efficiency. In our market analysis, however, we focused on 3 specific markets in which we would like to introduce the integration of our product. And these 3 markets are construction and construction management, architecture and structural engineering, and forestry management. The breakdown of our implementation goals is shown here on the slide, as well as the strongest use of the product in each market. In construction and construction management, the product allows for the survey of job sites to be more efficient, and this is because more information can be recorded in one single trip. This gives contractors as well as project managers more access to the accuracy and progress of any given construction site. In architecture and structural engineering, the handheld scanner allows for a smoother transition between the point cloud data that is collected by the product into the software of choice by any user of the product. This could be AutoCAD or any other software. The thousands of points that are scanned in a short amount of time could contain minute details such as the measurements needed by an architect or a structural engineer during any point of the design process. In forestry management, the handheld scanner is used to determine the characteristics of an environment of high vegetation. Some of these measurements would be the density of such vegetation or canopy heights. And overall, the use of the BLK2GO scanner in any market is going to result in cost and resource efficiency, both of which are directly going to affect the viability of results that are being delivered to a client. So now that we know a little bit about the markets, we're going to go to Thomas, and he's going to give us an analysis of our company and our product's competitive analysis.
Thank you, Estrella. Here's a summary of how we stand against our competition. If we first look at the lower right-hand corner, we see our competition. There's 3 products. That's the Contour by Carta, the PX80 by Paracosm, and the Zeb series by GeoSLAM. It's actually 3 different handheld LiDAR scanners, none of which are as complete as the BLK2GO. If we look at our strengths very quickly, it's basically a summary of what we've already heard, in that we are a very established company having over 100 years of experience within the industry. We have our strong market research team here that you see in front of us that I'm sure will continue to produce good hard work. Our products are innovative because of our research and development that we've poured into our products. As a result, from our innovation and research and development, we have products that win awards. All of this, throw it all together, and what the customer sees is an outstanding product that doesn't cost as much money as the competition does. Specifically, the BLK2GO, as it stands against our competition, the Contour, the PX80, and the Zeb series, it is a complete and total package, being that you have your LiDAR scanner, your image, your cameras essentially, and your IMU all contained within one system. For many of these other systems, in order to get all of that information packed into one component, you have to actually buy on additional components, and that adds to your total cost for a system. It also adds to the setup time for each job that you have, which again points to how our product not only saves time compared to traditional methods of terrestrial scanners, but it also saves time when you compare it to our competitors. Some of our weaknesses are that, being that we are a foreign company based out of Switzerland, we have to travel some distance to get our products to the US, with 33% of our products being there. However, being that 33% of our products are in the US, that means 66% of our company is outside. So we are a global company, not just dependent on the US markets. Another one of our weaknesses is our scanning range. Our scanning range is 25 meters. Our competitors are 30 meters and 100 meters. However, our product is specifically designed, optimized for indoor areas. And the likelihood that you get into a building with an area that is larger than 30 meters or larger than 25 meters to scan is unlikely. For situations like that, you're probably going to end up using a different product, plain and simple. Opportunities for our company within the LiDAR market. Stray went ahead and talked about that already. LiDAR is going to grow. Our target is in the construction, architecture, forestry, and other small niches that we're going to bleed into, and I think we're going to perform well in. Threats that our company can experience, or the BLK2GO can, is the fluctuations in our currency. However, any fluctuation that affects us in currency is also going to affect any other competitor out there, unless, of course, they aren't global competitors. For example, all of our competitors are based in the US. That might be the only case. With this technology being a cutting edge technology, it can be overtaken by newer technologies. However, being that our product is so complete and in what it does, it is unlikely that a product will be manufactured that can beat ours in what it does and how it performs. We thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, now is our time for questions.